think about sort of practice what we preach, and that embodying the impact and the impact that other alternative forms of dissemination can have, the concept of show don't tell for me really goes back to that idea of like sort of the disconnect between sometimes evidence and practice. And so I actually did an activity one time where I had members of an audience spend a little bit of time reviewing a peer-reviewed article that I wrote, which is the findings of the research from the film that I created, and then also presented those same results in a film format. And so I had them review, the abstract and sort of some basic components of the article, and then reflect on the impact that it had on them, and then subsequently did the same thing after showing the film. And it was clear that the film had a much different impact on people. And I even asked individuals in the audience, like, who do you think that this peer-reviewed paper is intended for, and do you think you would use something like that? And a lot of people who were not academics actually felt like that information was not for them. So I think as researchers, we really do have to be intentional in thinking about how we reach the audiences and those individuals who need the information most. And sometimes that may not be via a peer-reviewed article or standing up and giving a presentation. Again, I don't want to minimize the importance of that work, because we also have to disseminate and share our information with other academics who can then work with us to build that body of knowledge and contribute to new research questions and new directions in research. But for certain audiences, this show don't tell is just so critical, and so I think it is so important. And I feel really excited about the impact that the film that I was able to be a part of have had for these audiences.